Okay guys, it's Monday morning again, and we are playing with our little new gun. Got it from Harbor Freight. Not a bad little toy. And what we're doing is we're laying some color on Mr. Tommy's wall decoration of his Thunderbird. And we just got attacked by love bugs just now. Okay, we've got the color on the car. Now we have to, there it is there. Now we have to do all of the silver, the black, headlights, all that kind of stuff. I've got to retouch a little bit around certain spots. But all in all, looking pretty darn good. I like it. Alright guys, we did a little bit of disassembly on the 1927 Dodge Brothers. Let me shrink it down. Took off the two fenders and the running board on this side and left them on this side. So, tell me guys, which way do you like it? With the fenders or without? This way we can get that started. We're still about ready to chop the roof and put the new rear end, drivetrain, and front end and all that stuff, motor, transmission, everything in it. That is the motor right there. Like and subscribe and we'll basically show you more stuff like this. Well, a little better than this, but like this. Bye.